Hey guys, it's Steve Esteb from the Louisiana Screenwriters Boot Camp. And I get asked a lot of questions about screenwriting from all kinds of people, and I'm going to start answering those questions on this blog. Today I'm going to answer a question I get asked all the time, which is basically, what do I capitalize in my screenplay? You know, a lot of people put a lot of words in all caps, noises and events and actions and all capitals. The prevailing view on that right now is less is more. And I think when you write a screenplay, there's fads that go in and out about different things about screenwriting. I once had a manager tell me out in LA to put all my jokes, all my comedy bits in one screenplay in bold. And that would look ridiculous now, and it was probably a fad for about 6 months out in there. But what I think the best thing to do is stay traditional, less is more. The only time I use capitalized letters now in a screenplay is when I introduce a new character. Occasionally, once in a while, I might put bang or explosion in all caps just so I can make a big effect out of that. But for the most part, it's just when you introduce a new character. And only once, only the first time you do that. So in answer to that question, when do I use all caps? As little as possible, and the only place I recommend you do that is when you introduce a new character. Thanks, that's the tip for this week, and also I'd like to invite all of you to the Louisiana Screenwriters Boot Camp. We meet Tuesday, starting a new fall session, Tuesday in New Orleans, Wednesday in Baton Rouge, and in Lafayette the following week. So if you're interested, please give me a call. That's my phone call. Gotta go. Bye-bye.